information about bogus doctor who was running a clinic at Naveli area. So त्याचं नाव असं चिन्मय कुमार विश्वास. He is from Calcutta आणि 1989 तो गोंयान आसा म्हणटा. 89. So he purchased many degree certificates, Ayurvedic degree, allopathic degree, and he writes himself, introduced himself as a doctor. मागीर आमी कितें क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग केल्या उपरांत ही तो बोललो की आपूण ओनली 10वी शिकला म्हणपाक बिकॉज since 89 he is there and he has procured those degrees when he was in Goa. So आमी तेका विचारलें की तुमी गोवा 3 वर्सां केन्ना कोर्स केले. मागीर बोललो आमी अशेंच हाडले. So he doesn't have anything with him about occupation.
एज कितली सर तेजी?
It's 47 years. Case restrict केले आमी impersonation, cheating, 420, 419 and other relevant sections under that body medical rules. Certificate he bogus तयार केलं ते certificate from Calcutta because he was here in Goa and he was practicing here. In mean period he says that he has studied 3 years course at this thing. Then when cross questioning he said that only he studied up to SSC.